Hello everyone. So today we have Akshata Raj with us. She is one of our faculties for mathematics and she is a brilliant candidate with excellent academics. So let's welcome Akshata today. Welcome Akshata.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
ma'am. So Akshata, the very first question we have is about you. Where did you did your masters from? What motivated you to do your masters in mathematics?
Hmm. I'm actually doing masters in Mysore University. Um, in my high school career, I'm very interested in maths. That's why I choose math stream.
Okay, great. So, I have seen a lot of students actually being afraid of mathematics, even from their junior grades. So, what do you think? How those students can actually get rid of this fear of mathematics?
By practicing and then applying the mathematics in real life, the main thing.
That's really
When we are
interesting. That's
yes,
sorry.
ma'am.
That's really interesting. Applying it in real life. So, can you give an example for the same?
Like loans, EMIs, all are the things we know what happening around our in families. We know that everything, right? So just apply the knowledge of mathematics in that. Then you will get what are the have to develop in.
Okay, great. So, my another question is, uh, how do you think, like you have already done your masters in mathematics, so what do you think are the career opportunities once a student completes masters in mathematics, career opportunity in academics, in industry, elsewhere? What do you think are good options for students to do?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. After completing the masters in mathematics, uh, we have opportunities in private sectors also, public sectors, and then you can go with the research also. What we are interested in. If we are very interested into research, you can go to that. Um, made a PhD in mathematics. There are many streams that financial, statisticians. In when we go for the public sector jobs, they take data analysis because mathematics are logic-minded people. So
Right, Akshata. So that's really interesting. As you said, we have various options. You can go into the field of data analysis as data analyst. You can join as a statistician even. So really, that's interesting to note. Even what I believe what Akshata is trying to say is making the subject interdisciplinary. So rather than just having the core basics of mathematics, there could be application component from statistics, from economics, which could help you in financial sector and statistical areas. So definitely, Akshara, that's really a good opportunity, I would say. Now, another question I would like to ask you is, what are good institutions that you would recommend in India, even for masters as well as PhD programs?
okay, IIS in IAS, Bangalore also. Universities versus Annamalai University and Mysore University is there.
What could be good options if you have done your masters in India and or your bachelor's in India, you want to pursue further studies? Because as you said, Bangalore University, Annamalai University, Mysore University, from where you have graduated, post-graduated, are some of the good universities with great mathematics departments. But if a student wants to apply abroad, what could be the career options?
Um, when
When
the
the
university is
is
called
called
and the students itself apply for that and then the English proficiency test for abroad. when they are like think to go abroad, the English proficiency is there, and the bachelor's is required. After your completing your bachelor's in math stream and with the English, you can go for the abroad for further masters in mathematics.
Right, Akshata. So, as you said, after completing your graduation, you can apply for masters in mathematics abroad. Now, another question is, what do you think yourself as 10 years down the lane? Like with your career, with your subject, how do you want to grow?
Actually, I'm preparing for civil services. Yeah, I
Okay,
think yeah.
so, that's totally a different stream, definitely. But if you had been in mathematics, what would be
Hmm.
the key thing that you would like to go for?
Okay. Actually, I'm very to do a professor in mathematics also.
Okay, so you want to see yourself as professor in mathematics.
Yes,
Good, good, and probably Mysore University.
yes, ma'am.
Okay, that's really good. That's really interesting. So, how do you find the Mysore University department? I have heard a lot about Mysore University mathematics
Yes,
department. So,
actually, that's the biggest university in India.
correct, correct. So, who had been your mentors for mathematics department?
Huh. The Sridhar sir and the HOD is Sridhar sir. He is a very well-known person. He is very caring about students. That's nice.
Right. So, what specific topic in mathematics do you find most interesting?
Hmm. Topology.
Topology. And besides topology?
Yes, ma'am.
Besides topology?
Besides topology, algebra.
Algebra. Okay, great. So, another thing was when you are solving questions in mathematics, I believe there
Hmm.
would be numerous instances where you might be stuck with some of the
Yes,
solutions.
yes.
How do
Hmm.
you handle that?
When I stuck in solving a problem, I again read the problems again and again. Then I will get what to next step.
But most of the time you try to solve it yourself because I have seen that you are able to solve any problem that is provided to you. So that's really interesting. So I was wondering, how do you manage that? Like, do you take help from your faculty or from your colleagues, or you try to do it independently?
Actually, I do it myself with web browsers, browsing the concepts. First, I understand the concept well, and then I will do.
Okay, but even if you are stuck, you prefer to give it a try and try again.
Yes.
Okay, that's really a good message for students, right? Because most of the students feel that I'm not able to solve the problem, so at certain point they give up. So definitely that's one of the message that you want to give to students. So my next
Yes, ma'am.
question would be, what would be your key message to the students opting for bachelor's or master's in mathematics, and the best references that you want them to go for, even for a student who is going for, let's say, JE entrance, the engineering entrance examination, starting from 11th grade, what would be the best references that you would recommend students?
So, clear the entrance exams and join a master's. Where first to um, where you are interested in subjects. First, you have to inculcate in yourself what are the interesting subject to you and what to make yourself to you.
Good, good. So another thing is, what are the books that you would refer to students who want to have a sound background in mathematics, like the elementary level as well as advanced level? What books and references would you suggest?
There are many books in the market, ma'am. I'm go through with the Indian authors, Rangnath, okay, Vivek Mitra, like that.
Okay, okay. That was really great. So, yeah, it was really great, Akshata, meeting you here. Definitely, we wish to have further sessions with you. And I believe your message would be beneficial to the aspiring students wanting to pursue mathematics as one of their careers. Thanks a lot for joining in. Thank you, Akshata.
Thank you, ma'am.